In this walkthrough, we will see how you can manage your cloud resources in the team edition of Cloud Portam. By cloud resources, we mean Azure storage accounts, Azure search service accounts, Azure document DB accounts, and other Azure resources that you want to manage through Cloud Portam. Currently, like I said, we support Azure storage accounts, Azure search service accounts, and document DB accounts, and we will be adding support for additional Azure resources like media services, service bus, etc. in the days to come. So now we know what cloud resources are in context of Cloud Portam. Let's see what all things you can do as far as managing these cloud resources are concerned. First is obviously you could add cloud resources to Cloud Portam. So for example, you have a storage account that you want to manage through Cloud Portam. You can add that storage account in Cloud Portam. You can add it cloud resource properties. Again, for example, an account key has changed for your storage account and you want to change that you can do through Cloud Portam. And there are some other properties as well, and these are the things that we will see when we go into editing cloud resources walkthrough. You can remove cloud resources from Cloud Portam. Please note that when you remove a cloud resource from Cloud Portam, they are only removed from Cloud Portam. They are not deleted from your Azure subscription. You can change a user's permission on a cloud resource. So, for example, you want to grant read-only permission on a cloud resource to a user, that you can do. You can also revoke a permission on a cloud resource for a user as well. Lastly, you can change a group in which a cloud resource belongs. Essentially, a group is a logical categorization of your cloud resources. So you could create groups like development, QA, production, staging, etc. And then you can put your cloud resources in those groups for easier management. So now that we know what all things you can do, let's take a moment and go into the team edition of Cloud Portam and see how you can start accessing this functionality. So here we are on the team dashboard, and you can access the team dashboard by clicking on the settings icon up on top and clicking on manage team. Now to start managing your cloud resources, you have to click on cloud resources link here. And now what is happening is the application is actually fetching the list of cloud resources which are already added. And so here we are. And now what you can do is you can edit the cloud resource here. You can remove the cloud resource. You can add these types of cloud resources. You can create a group. Also, what you can do, an interesting thing is that there is a support for context menu. So you can just right click and you can say edit, or you can say remove, and things like that. And these are the things that we will cover in subsequent walkthroughs.